Hello guys, welcome back to my HTML tutorial. This is session 10. In the previous session, we learned about HTML list with unordered list. In this session, we are going to learn about HTML definition list or description list. This is third type of list available in HTML list. HTML description list are also called definition list. HTML description list or definition list display elements in definition form like in directory. The DL, DT and DD tag are used to define description list. Basic tag. We have a few tags available to define description list. The three HTML description list tags are given below. DL tag define the description list. DT tag define the data term. DD tag define the data definition. This is completely used for describe your definition. Like I wanted to describe HTML. What is HTML? Then I will write HTML inside the DT tag, and then after I will use DD tag to describe the HTML. For example, this is the basic syntax of writing DD definition tag. First we will open and close DL tag. Inside between we will use DT tag, and inside DT tag we will add the question or the terms which we want to describe or define. This is the HTML I written between DT tag. This is the definition DD tag of the HTML. Similarly, this is Java and this is the description for the Java. This is for JavaScript and this is description for the JavaScript. As you may see here, as a result, if I will write the whole code in the text editor, then you will find this kind of output in your web browser. So guys, that's it about the presentation. Let's move to the code editor so that we can see all these things in action. I created definition list.html document to show the demo. Let's run this template document into the live browser so that we can see the result without refreshing the page. Yeah, this is the 10th session of HTML tutorial. Let's write some code respect to DL tag, description or definition tag. DL tag, I'm going to write HTML. Sorry, DT tag. Inside I am writing HTML. Inside DD tag, I will write the definition of HTML. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Okay, I written very basic abbreviation of the HTML. I am going to again write dt tag Java, and I am going to define Java. dd Java is an object-oriented programming language. I added two topic, HTML and Java, and added definition for them. Let's have a look at the browser. As you may see here, this is the heading tag and this is the definition for the HTML document. This is heading tag for the Java, and this is something definition about the Java. Yes, we can make it red or the any color using some inline styling. I am applying inline styling, color red. Okay, yeah, I change it color using the inline CSS, but this is not part of HTML tutorial. I just shows because I shows this kind of output in the presentation. We'll learn many things about the presentation of the HTML document with attractive and user-friendly, how to make it possible using CSS in the upcoming tutorials. So guys, that's it about the definition or description list. Guys, if you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you not subscribed yet. Please share this video with your friends so that they can also take advantage of it. Thank you for watching.